They call Missouri the Show Me State, but President Donald Trump decided to make it the Tell Me State on Friday at a rally in Springfield, Missouri at JQH Arena. The president, holding his second consecutive rally after appearing in Las Vegas on Thursday, largely stuck to a laundry list of his accomplishments and hopes for the future. Trump also stumped for Republican Senate candidate Josh Hawley, Missouri's Attorney General.
Media observers were looking for some comment on today's New York Times story in which Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, in the wake of the firing of FBI Director James Comey, talked of secretly taping the president at the White House and then enlisting cabinet members to remove him under the 25th Amendment as unfit. Trump sidestepped the issue, but in an oblique remark some felt referenced it, told the rally of the FBI and the Justice Department, "There's a lingering stench and we're going to get rid of that, too. I wanna tell you, we have great people in the Department of Justice, we have great people. These are people, I really believe, you take a poll, I gotta be at 95%. But we had some real bad ones. You see what's happened at the FBI, they're all gone, they're all gone. They're all gone."
But there's a lingering stench and we're going to get rid of that, too. Trump also touched on some of his favorite issues during the Missouri speech. ICE is incredible. Democrats want open borders, which equals massive crime. Flood our streets with criminal gangs. Illegal aliens, we're either throwing them in jail or throwing them the hell out of our country. The Democrat platform, it never made a lot of sense to me, someone who wants open borders, crime and higher taxes. That's not a good platform. How do you get past those first two things? Trade deals, we were being ripped off by allies and enemies. He added later, we are fixing one-sided trade deals that have drained jobs and they took our money, our jobs, they took everything. They took our dignity. Unemployment, jobless claims just fell to a nearly 50-year low. So number one, the people are happy. Number two, the country is saving a fortune. We created over 4 million new jobs since our election. We've lifted almost 4 million Americans off of food stamps. Remember the magic wand? Yeah, I got a magic wand.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.